Hey guys, remember to subscribe for new videos.
Hey guys, Captain Starlight here. So glad that you could join me again because I'm going to share some of my favorite hacks for my favorite thing, snacking. I know, I'm so excited. But make sure you hang around for the end where I share my super secret snack hacks. Whoa. Alright, hack number 1 for the old snack hacks. Don't snack too close to dinner time. Because if you snack too close for dinner time, you'll be really full and then you probably won't want your dinner, which is gonna really annoy your adults. But also, what if it's pizza night? You know, pizza night. Everybody loves pizza night and you won't want it because you'll be full. So, think about that. Alright guys, number 2 on the old snack hacks is snack on something that gives you good energy, like fruits and vegetables. No, wait. I have a reason. Because good energy is going to give you good, long-lasting energy so that you can play longer. I know! Oh, it's so good! Because bad energy, which you get from things like sugar, is going to leave you feeling super gross and super tired. We don't want that. We got games to play, yo! Hack number 3. Here we go. Hack number 3 is don't snack too big too early. Make sure that when you are snacking, you're only having little bits because this will mean that you can try different snacks and that you're not going to get too full too early. Because you can always have more snacks, but you can't take snacks away once you've eaten them. So, you know, the more snacks, the better. Am I right? You know I am. Okay guys, now it is time for my secret snack hacks. Only eat things that are dipped in chocolate. Ha! I know, right? Oh, right. Hello? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, is that right? Oh, okay. Thank you. Bye. It turns out, actually don't do that because chocolate is full of sugar. Chocolate should be a sometimes special occasion snacks, and sugar, as we know, is bad energy. You're just gonna feel gross. It's not gonna be great. And also, it's super not great for your teeth, apparently. Well, guys, the time has come. I think I need to go get some snacks. Got some hacks that I've got to try out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you like and subscribe. Fun with Captain Starlight, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna get some snacks.